Hey everyone, Sedona Dave here. Today is Friday, October 14th, 2022, and I've got some breaking news about the Unbreakable all-terrain cane. Just received our third prototype from the factory yesterday, crash tested it. It's good, it's here, we're going to production. That's the good news. This is what's going to get us out there, where we want to be. All-terrain cane is a 3-section folding cane, unfolds the way we're used to. Got a 16-inch grip for choking up, hiking, accommodate our needs. Titanium alloy, all right? We've got the strength, the durability for hiking, support, balance, car doors. This is gonna last. Rolling ball tip covers all terrains very, very effectively. It's short for our younger athletes. Yes. It's tall for our older athletes. All right. All-terrain cane, stay tuned at awarewolfgear.com. We expect to be on the shelves by holiday season this year. All right, stay tuned.